peeps, welcome back to the sewing room. I am back down here after a couple of days off, which has been very nice. In fact, pretty much one full day off and then like a day of admin and editing and that kind of stuff, but curled up in my room with the cat, which, you know, is always a plus. So I am starting again for the third time on my separates adventure, or my non-dress adventure. I'm going to film the intro to that video today because this is the first outfit that I've put on that I've actually really liked. I've worn this skirt in all three outfits, this one, but I just put on plain or just the striped top, and I was like, no, this is not me. I want some print, and it's not like I don't have lots of tops with that on. So let's start with this one. So I'm going to film the intro to that today, and then the 12 for today's look. I'm also going to so after last week, listicle videos, they're kind of they do really well. They do very well, and I'm going to try and film one of those today. And then I'm also going to try and film the things to think about when you're picking your next project video. That's something that lots of people ask me, is how I come up with the ideas of what I want to sew and pairing patterns together and things like that. So I am going to try and film those today. I'm also going to do something a little different with this month's Patreon vote. I'm actually going to film some waffle talking you through my pattern picks that I want the Patreon peeps to narrow it down for me. So got a lot of film to get done today. Still haven't cut out the denim, the gingham. Still haven't cut out the gingham. Still haven't cut out the guard cardigan or the Anna or the shirt. And I'm running out of October. I need to get that done this week, and that is the goal, to get everything cut out this week ready for sewing next week. So I need to get these things filmed to hopefully put up over the weekend, and yeah. Anyway, waffle, let's get on with filming some proper videos. Wish me luck. I need my flashcard. Hey peeps, welcome to a video. Of course it's a video, you're watching this. I hope you've been dating. I've shown. That always makes me think of that clip from The Emperor's New Groove. Respect was it's something about the groove. Hear the groove, the groove, the groove. Yeah, anyway. Tangent brain. Later. Okay, I have just filmed the 3 videos that I talked about earlier. I have no idea if they're going to come out, because the last thing I want to do is ever come across as this is my way and it's the only way and you must do the thing that I say. Hopefully I filmed them in such a way that it's like, this is my view and this is how I do it, and I'd love to hear your opinions on this as well. Fingers crossed I've achieved that. We shall see. If those videos come out, then we shall have seen. So I need to go and edit those, because I want one of them. I want the vote to go up today, and I also want the hard and fast 3 hard and fast sewing rules video to go up today as well, because this waffle is not going to be going up today. It's going to be going up tomorrow, hopefully tomorrow afternoon, when I will have come down and finished cutting out, or at least I've got 4 more projects to cut out. 1 is really easy, 2 need to be traced and altered and cut out, and then the other one I just need to make a decision on. I'm going to come and do those tomorrow, but now editing. So I hope you've enjoyed today's tiny little bit of waffle, and there will be some more fabric fondling tomorrow. I shall see you then. Bye. Hey peeps, happy Friday. Welcome back to the sewing room. I have had an exciting delivery this morning. I'm working with Lily Silk again. They approached me to do another advert on the channel, which is amazing. It won't be coming out until the 18th of November, but I wanted to just look how beautifully they are all wrapped, and all of the packaging is 100% recycled, which is something I love about it. I'm going to unwrap them. I'm not going to show you what they are, but I wanted to show you how beautiful the boxes were, because they're just so pretty, and it's such a lovely experience. Oh. Oh. So they asked me, they gave me kind of like a list of pieces to pick from. There was a few that I loved and a few that weren't very me, so I sort of said, well, I really like these, and I gave them a few different colours for me to you know, like that I liked, and look how beautiful. Oh, it's so pretty. Again, you won't be seeing these until November, but I get to open them now. I'm kind of sharing it with you, but also kind of like not, because yeah. Ooh, that's nice. With black. Hopefully I've gone for like a range of sort of different things that are all useful. That's like one of the things that I love about Lily Silk, is that they do such beautiful basics, and we all know how I feel about sewing basics. Oh. I promise you will see these in all their glory soon. And the final piece, I'm sorry, I'm just pulling the same face every time. Oh wow. Now this one, oh, that is gorgeous. Oh, I can't wait to show them all to you. But like I say, you won't be seeing them till the 18th of November, but oh, they're beautiful. They are all absolutely beautiful. You probably will see them before the 18th of November, because I don't know if I'm going to be able to wait to wear them until then, but the official video is coming out on the 18th of November. I love these boxes. I really do love these boxes. I find them really useful. I keep, like, as you guys know, I've got boxes all around the sewing room, so I will keep these and I will put trims in them, and or bikini, like this one could be great for sort of like the bikini hardware, like, you know, different things like that. So I will keep these boxes. I will probably keep the ribbon as well, because it's quite nice sturdy ribbon, so you could definitely make like waist stays out of that. So yeah, ribbon's going to go in the stash, boxes will go in the stash, clothes will get hung up and drooled over, but let's get on with the day. So yeah, I filmed a bunch of videos yesterday. One's gone up on Patreon for the vote for the skirt. I also filmed one that's going out this evening, my 3 hard and fast rules that I don't ever deviate from, and I think it's come out okay. Like the whole thing, the whole point of the video is not that you must, these are the rules and you must adhere to them. It's like, these are my rules and why I adhere to them, but you do you. So fingers crossed that comes across in the actual video. I hope it does. I think it does. We shall see. I need to film a little bit of B-roll. Then I really want to get the shirt, the Anna bodice and the cardamom cut out today. I am having a late start to the day because I have been editing all morning. This is one of those videos that's like a really fine line of like, do the thing and don't be condescending, and hopefully I have come across as amusing rather than condescending. That's, at least that's my intention behind the video. Ooh. Our neighbour also kind of she's been sort of de-stashing, basically giving mum everything, and this was one of the fabrics that she gave us, and we did a burn test and it's 100% silk. It's absolutely glorious. I don't even know how much there is here. I've just watched Bianca's pirate shirt, or vampire shirt that she's done in red silk dupioni. Whilst I love it, I don't know that I would ever wear a dupioni shirt like that because of the poofiness of the sleeves, but this one still is crisp, but it's a lot thinner. And there's a wow, I mean, it's very narrow. It is very narrow, but there is a lot of it. Wow, actually this as well would probably go really well with that blue red shot silk that I've got. So I'm thinking maybe this could be like a fancy shirt with like the ruffles at the collar, and or the bib and the cuffs for the suit, because I could make my suit out of that pinky that rare purpley red shot silk. Wow, there's so much here. It is super narrow and very fine. It would be great for a shirt though. It's got that lovely crispy. Oh, today's the day of silk apparently. My Lily Silk stuff, although there's some cashmere in there, and very kind lady Neighbour silk. But yeah, we did a burn test and it smelled like hair, and then it crumpled, you know, kind of like flaked apart. There was no little plasticky bubbles. There is a lot here. I'm doing a horrendous job of folding it. But absolutely gorgeous. So thank you very much to our neighbour for giving me that. And Mum also has, we haven't washed that one obviously, Mum's also given me this chambray, this stripy chambray from the Neighbour. Like, Mum's obviously gone through and picked out the things that she wanted first, but yeah, this stripy chambray is actually really nice. And I'm kind of wondering, maybe I do my other shirt out of this rather than the gingham, because I'm still not 100% sure on the gingham if I want it to be the tie front shirt with the roll-up sleeves or a long shirt with the roll-up sleeves. I kind of really want that to be the gingham to be a tie front shirt. I think the gingham, just for me, kind of gives me more spring summer vibes. So I'm thinking this would go really nicely with the print, the floral print. So I could do the shirt out of this one if there's enough. I'm gonna stop waffling at you because the more I procrastinate, the less work I'm gonna get done. So, ooh, having said that, I finished Smallville. I really liked it. Although the one thing that bugs me is the final episode. They spent so much money on the CGI in the opening episode, and the final episode, the CGI was really clunky. Like, I liked it, and the whole kind of like culmination of the show, it was awesome. I liked it. But it was just so weird that they'd spent so much money on CGI previously to not kind of... I mean, maybe... I don't know anything about CGI, so maybe they spent more and it just was really difficult to do well. But yeah, I like the overall kind of like storyline, and I'm glad that, yeah, and I'm utterly in love with Tom Welling, and please may I have one. He's in The Professionals at the moment. So I need to work out where I can watch that because that looks like fun. Anyway, like I say, I'm going to put everything away and get on with getting on so that I stop procrastinating. Wish me luck. Later. My hair's getting progressively more crazy as the day goes on. I'm really pleased with everything that I've got done. I have decided to go for the stripe rather than the gingham, only because I couldn't decide what to do with the gingham and I knew the stripe would look good with the fabric. I've checked and it does. So I'm glad that I've got that done, which means my 5 pieces from one pattern is just now needing to be sewn. It's not a small undertaking. There's 5 pieces, 5 shirts to do. Well, shirt dress, 2 shirts, pinafore dress and skirt, but still 5 pieces to be sewn, but I can do it, it'll be fine. I have also got the By Hand London Anna Brains and Beauty bodice cut out, and I've also traced out the cardamom dress, but it does need some alterations. But I'm hungry. It's about 7:20, so I think I'm gonna go and make myself some dinner, sit with Chi, do a little bit of editing, watch some TV. I don't know what I'm gonna watch next. I don't know what series I am going to watch next. I was thinking maybe Buffy again and then into Angel, maybe? I don't know, we shall see. But yes, I'm very pleased. I'm very pleased with everything that I've got done today. I think the cardamom in this old gold and Savannah is going to look really pretty. I just need to get that cut out tomorrow, and then other than the shirt, all my projects will be complete. I'm trying to think when I'm going to get to the shirt. It might not be this month, it might be next month. I will do it, I promise I will do it. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna stop waffling at you. So I hope you enjoyed a little bit of waffle from the last couple of days, and I will see you all soon for some more. Bye. Good morning, lovely peeps. It looks like I'm wearing a dress, but I am, but I've also got a skirt on over the top. I actually have so many layers on that I don't think I'm even going to turn the heater on. It's currently 18 degrees in here and I'm really comfortable, so that's good. Well, that bodes well for Dad and his obsession with keeping temperatures down, because he is not a lizard and is constantly hot. Anyway, I am down here. It's Saturday morning. Saturday early afternoon. I have had a very late start to the day. I have not been sleeping very well. I have not been able to, yeah. So just gonna power through and get my cardamom altered and cut out of the fabric. And because of the type of video I want to make for my shirt, I'm going to put that to the side and cut that out at a later date. And again, I promise I will get to it. I promise I will get to it. The vote for the skirt type has gone up on Patreon. Yeah, you guys, I knew you would. I knew you would, but you guys are pretty much the overwhelming... It's still 10 days to go on the vote, but you guys are pretty much like the Holston skirt. The jigsaw puzzle is what you've picked, and I am going to have to make a muslin because I am not 100% sure how it's going to go together. I'm not 100% sure how I'm going to finish the insides. I'm not 100% sure how it's going to fit over the hips. So it's going to be an interesting one, and I don't know I think I'm going to have to buy some calico. Just wondering if I could do it out of its lining fabric. I could possibly do it out of its lining. But those pieces, I might need to buy some more lining as well because I am running out of plain lining. Fun times. Anyway, I'm going to stop waffling at you. I'm going to get on with filming today's outfit twirl and then get on with the cardamom alterations and cutting out. Fabric is ready and prepped and raring to go. So yeah, let's get that done.
One eternity later.
The cutting out session has finally finished and I've even got the skirt and the majority of the body of the pinafore sewn. I need to cut out the interfacing, so that's why I've paused, because I've got to the point where I'm like, I need to cut out more things and I don't want to. So I am going to call it a night for now. I think it's about 8 o'clock. So I'm really pleased with everything that I've got done. The cardamom was the outer, the lining, and then the bib and sleeve part, so there was quite a lot to cut out there, but I'm glad that I've got it done. Working with corduroy, I have little fluffy bits all over me, so I'm going to go and defluff, chill with Chi, and I have started watching Chuck again. I think this is my 3rd time through. Yeah, I really love it. It's so fun. I was going to start Sanctuary and I was going to start Buffy again, but I decided I wanted something a little bit lighter and funnier, because I mean, they're not that they're like overly dark or anything like that, but yes, a little bit of Zachary Levi. So anyway, on that note, I'm going to shut up waffling at you, pack up down here and head up to the house to sit with Chi, who probably is starving, even though she had a snack at lunchtime because she was starving then. So yeah, she probably is cursing me and will be purring at me outside the door waiting for food. I hope you've enjoyed the last couple of days. Really pleased with everything I've got done. Looking forward to the hangout tomorrow. Might get this dress finished in that hangout, might work on the denim skirt. Not sure yet, but we shall see. I will see you all very soon. Bye!